Happy Friday, Spartans. How are you doing today? Today, I'm super excited because there's not much that I need to teach you at this point because you are a measurement master. And in fact, you are such a master that today you get to show your first grade teachers what you know. So today you're going to find an assignment, and really it's kind of like an assessment, or in my class, we call them celebrations because we're celebrating what we're learning about how to measure. Remember that this week we have been talking about measuring using non-standard measurements. So instead of using things like inches and feet and centimeters, we earlier this week got to measure with M&Ms. And then on Seesaw, you were actually measuring with those blocks. Well, today you're going to be measuring the same thing where you're going to see some different objects. There's some clip art pictures, and your job is going to be to measure how many cubes it's taken to measure that object. You'll see what I'm talking about in Seesaw, but if you need a reminder about how to measure, continue watching this video. Remember that when we are measuring with non-standard objects, they have to be the same non-standard object. So I have a highlighter and a pencil. I couldn't use both of these things to measure because they're not the same, and you see that they're not even the same length. If I wanted to measure using pencils, I could, as long as all of my pencils are the same length. The other thing that you need to remember when measuring is that our pieces or our units of measurement have to be facing the same way. So I can't measure a pencil this way and then put a pencil this way and say, oh, this screen is about 2 pencils long. No, because they're not facing the same direction. We would have to put them facing the same direction, and they also have to be touching. So today, when you're counting up those cubes, they're already faced the right way for you, and they're already touching each other. So you're good to go. On the second page today, you're going to be using what you know about measurement vocabulary to categorize a picture of a baby chick from long, longer, or longest, just like we did on Monday. If you need a review of that, go back to Monday's lesson and see how we were categorizing some pictures in those groups, long, longer, and longest. I know you got this. I believe in you. Go ahead and rock it. And if you really do need some more review, check out that Brain Pop Junior video because it's an excellent one. And also, Annie and Moby are the best. Happy testing.